Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any products, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning the corners, and this is a small mop you can use for cleaning the floor. This is a brush you can use for this item. This is another brush you can use for the sink. Let's see what's in this bedroom. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools we've got in this apartment. These are wipes you can use for cleaning your gadgets, like mobile phones. This is an electric cooker. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen. This is a blender. This is another apartment. You've got this box you can use for your jewelry. This is a blender you can use for making juice. This is a small trash bin. It's a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen or in the bathroom.
Meow.
When my husband is coming back soon.
This is another apartment. This is a small shelf you can use for organizing your stuff. This is a small folding basket you can use for laundry and other stuff. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a small washing machine. This is an electric cleaner you can use for the floor. This is a small shelf. This is another trash bin you can use in the bathroom. This is a mop you can use for the floor. This is a brush you can use for cleaning your sneakers. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your shoes, and this is a shoes dryer. This is a small box you can use for masks. This is another cleaner. This is a small cleaner you can use for the corners, and this is a square mop. This is an egg holder. This is a small closet you can use for the dishes, or you can use it for small appliances. This is a box you can use for organizing your clothes. This is an electric top you can use for your feet. This is a popcorn maker. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.